Do you know you can easily turn your long hair to a bob blunt cut hair with just your scissors? In this video, I'm going to show you all you have to do to turn your long hair to a short bob hair. Depending on the inches you are working on, for me, I am working on 10 inches. I want it to be a 10 inches bob long cut hair. So what I did first was to measure out 11 inches and then roughly just use my scissors to trim it all the way. Okay, if you are working with 12 inches, it means you first of all trim it out from 13 inches. Hi Bestie, my name is Gift Amarachi, and here in this space I show you guys simple tutorials of how you can learn braiding easily, wig making and the rest. So if you are looking for a place to learn how to braid, how to decorate, how to make wigs and the rest, you are on the right place. So after I am done with trimming it, then the next thing now is to focus on the inches that we are working on, which is 10 inches. So I now use my scissors, then carefully pick it little by little, and then you trim it with your scissors. Another important thing you need to note that you need your rattle comb for this, because you're going to be using your rattle comb to smoothen. Once you trim your smoothing, you'll notice there are some hairs that you do not trim. So that will give you a perfect work. When you trim, use your rattle comb to brush it out so that if there's any ones that were left, then you can also go ahead and then trim it. We are going to continue with this. Please, if you watch this video to this point and you know you are getting any value from this video, click the like button. Help me to share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So go ahead to continue. You pick little. Remember, you have to maintain the length, okay? The length of the hair should be equal. That's why your scissors is very important. And when you are done, you are free to also use your straightener to straighten the hair a little bit so that if there's still some that you did not trim, you can go ahead and then trim them off. So this is simply how you can transform that your long hair that you don't want it to be long anymore. You can transform it to a bob wig with just your scissors and your rattle comb and your measuring tape. Of course, you don't need clipper, you don't need electricity. You can manually do this. If you found any value from this video, do not forget to like. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And please help me to share so that others can also learn. Thank you guys and see you guys.